In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for team collaboration. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to boost your team's productivity, this beginner-friendly tutorial will guide you through the essential features of Notion to make team collaboration smooth and efficient. To get started, the first thing you need to do is create a team workspace. This workspace will serve as the central hub for all your team's projects and information. To create your team workspace, open Notion and look for the Add a Workspace option on the sidebar. Once you click on it, you can follow the prompts to set up your new workspace. Make sure to select the option for a team or collaborative workspace, as this will enable specific features designed for teamwork. Consider naming the workspace something relevant to the entire team so it's easily recognizable. Now that your workspace is ready, it's time to share pages with your teammates. Sharing it allows everyone to stay on the same page and access necessary documents and information in one place. Within your workspace, you can create a variety of pages, whether it's for projects, meeting notes, or resource lists. To share a page, open the page you want to share, click on Share in the top right corner, and enter your teammates' email addresses. You have the flexibility to decide who can view or edit the page, so be sure to adjust the permissions according to your team's needs. Next, let's enhance collaboration by using comments and @mentions. Notion allows you to leave comments on any part of your documents, which is perfect for giving feedback or asking questions. Simply highlight the section of text or block where you want to comment and select the comment option. With the added capability of @mentions, you can direct your comments to specific teammates by typing the * symbol followed by their name. This feature not only draws their attention, but also keeps the communication organized and easy to follow up on. The final step in fostering effective team collaboration is to assign tasks and track progress. Notion's flexible project management tools can help you keep everyone on task. Within your team workspace, you can create a task list or project board, similar to a Kanban board. Assign tasks to team members by typing their name after the task using the @mention feature, and be sure to include due dates if necessary. As tasks are completed or require updates, your team can move them through the stages of your project board, providing a clear view of progress for everyone involved. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to using Notion effectively for team collaboration. These tools will not only streamline your team's workflow, but also help create a more organized and productive environment. Happy collaborating!